So what if we want to do some statistics? We can do statistics again with the help of Scipy, and by statistics we can find our normal distribution, our probability density function, and cumulative distribution function, and so on. So to do statistics with the help of Scipy, again we will start by importing necessary libraries. So from scipy.stats we will import norms for normal distribution. So we are importing stats from the library Scipy, and from scipy.stats we are importing norms for normal distribution function. So RVS, I will say RVS for random variables, LOC for location, and scale for scale of data distribution. So let's do norms.rvs, and the location of random variable is 0, the scale of data distribution let's say is 1, and let's say the size of data is 10. And when we will run this, we will get this array which will give us the normal distribution of a function. What if we want to find cumulative distribution function? Again we will say norms.cdf for cumulative distribution function, and we will say 5 comma location let's say is 1, and the scale of data is 2. So we run it and we get this CDF, which is cumulative distribution function. And again for probability distribution function for random distributions, we will say norms.pdf for probability distribution density function, probability density function. Let's say we give 9 in parentheses as our argument, and location let's say is 0, and scale of data let's say is 1, and we run it, and we get this is our probability density function for random distribution. And that's how we perform statistics with the help of Scipy and Python.